This video is the final in a series which provides guidance on how to install Hardie Fine Texture Cladding. In this video, we'll cover the painting of the cladding. This is the part of the process where you'll see the simplicity of the finishing required, with no rendering or specialist texture coating needed. Hardie Fine Texture Cladding is pre-sealed, so there's no need to apply a primer before painting. If you choose to prime the cladding, use a water-based primer. The panels can be left unpainted for up to 3 months after installation. However, if you're within 1 kilometre of a coastal area or corrosive environment, paint must be applied within 7 days. Prior to painting, inspect the wall for nail holes or other holes that need to be filled. If filling is required, avoid sanding. Sanding will remove the textured finish and stand out in contrast to the texture on the panels. If there are larger holes that need patching, try blending these into the texture of the panels by using a sponge. This will help to replicate the textured finish. Brush surfaces clean, removing dirt and cobwebs. Wash to remove dirt, grease or oils, then let dry. When applying the paint, first use a brush to paint the vertical joints and metal corners and jointers to ensure these are fully covered, and cut in around the edges. Finish off with a long nap roller of 12mm or more. For results that best suit the rendered look, use a low sheen or matte paint. Paint a minimum of 2 coats. That's it, job done. When painting, it is always recommended to refer to the paint manufacturer's instructions. For more information, refer to the Hardie Fine Texture Cladding Installation Guide, which is available on the James Hardie website.